What if one classic muscle machine could outrun sports cars and still haul cargo? Meet the incredible 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, powered by a legendary 454 big block V8. The 1972 Chevrolet El Camino is proof that Chevrolet refused to choose between a muscle car and a pickup truck. Instead, they created something unforgettable, a machine that combines brutal V8 performance, timeless American styling, and everyday practicality into one iconic package. Even decades later, this El Camino continues to turn heads wherever it goes. And once you hear that massive 454 big block roar to life, you'll understand exactly why enthusiasts still dream about owning one. Under the hood sits the legendary Chevrolet 454 cubic inch big block V8. Built with a durable 4-bolt main block and fed by a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, this engine delivers the unmistakable sound, torque, and character that made Chevrolet muscle cars famous. Every press of the accelerator reminds you that this isn't just transportation, it's an experience that brings the golden era of American performance back to life. Backing up that powerhouse is the incredibly reliable TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. Known for its strength and smooth operation, it transfers all that big block power to a rugged 12-bolt rear end equipped with a 2.73 1-gear ratio. The result is effortless highway cruising while still providing the muscular acceleration expected from a classic Chevrolet big block. Driving this El Camino is surprisingly comfortable thanks to modern conveniences that were considered premium features during its era. Air conditioning keeps the cabin cool on warm summer drives, while power steering makes handling easy whether you're cruising through town or navigating winding roads. Power brakes with front disc brakes provide confident stopping performance, adding an extra layer of safety to this classic machine. Visually, this El Camino is nothing short of stunning. Its rich gold exterior paint shines brilliantly under the sunlight, while bold black racing stripes add an aggressive personality that immediately grabs attention. Authentic SS badging proudly announces its muscle car heritage, while the functional cowl hood hints at the massive engine hidden beneath. A black vinyl top adds an elegant contrast to the gold finish, creating the perfect balance between luxury and performance. Chrome accents throughout the body complete the classic factory-inspired appearance. Even the cargo bed receives special attention with a body color-matched finish that keeps the entire truck looking clean, cohesive, and professionally restored. It's a reminder that this vehicle was designed to work hard while looking spectacular. The stance is completed by authentic Goodyear Polyglas tires wrapped around F60-15 front and rear sizing. These classic tires perfectly capture the appearance of early some 1970s American muscle while giving the El Camino an unmistakable road presence that enthusiasts instantly recognize. Open the door and you're welcomed by a beautifully restored black vinyl interior that remains faithful to its factory design. Comfortable bucket seats provide excellent support, while clean black carpeting gives the cabin a fresh appearance. Factory-style gauges deliver all the essential information, and the original-style radio preserves the nostalgic atmosphere. The staple shifter, stock steering wheel, and clean headliner all contribute to an interior that feels like stepping back into Chevrolet's showroom in 1972. The attention to detail continues underneath. The underside has been professionally painted black, creating a clean and well-finished appearance. Painted inner fender liners, a brand new exhaust system, fresh suspension components, a painted drive shaft, new hardware throughout, and a new gas tank all demonstrate the level of care invested in this remarkable restoration. Every component reflects quality workmanship and a commitment to preserving this American icon. The 1972 Chevrolet El Camino represents a unique chapter in automotive history. It's a vehicle capable of carrying cargo during the week and dominating weekend car shows with equal confidence. Few classics combine muscle, style, comfort, and practicality as successfully as the El Camino, and this beautifully restored example showcases everything enthusiasts love about Chevrolet's legendary creation. Whether you're a lifelong collector, a first-time classic car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates timeless American engineering, this gold 1972 Chevrolet El Camino deserves your attention. It isn't just another classic, it's a symbol of an era when horsepower ruled the streets and bold styling made every drive memorable. If you enjoyed seeing this incredible 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because more legendary American muscle cars are coming your way.